Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Luke, where today we're going to walk through Xometry's Finishing Partner Guide. I'm Luke, Xometry's Community and Marketplace Engagement Lead, and I'm here today with Sarah Smeltzer. Sarah, how's it going? Do you want to give everybody that's watching kind of a little introduction to you and kind of what you do here at Xometry?
Yeah, of course. Hey, Luke, it's great to be here. For those of you who may not have met me, I'm Sarah Smeltzer, and I'm the operations lead for the RFQ Marketplace here at Xometry. I currently handle all things finishing services within the RFQ Marketplace and also help support the partner management team.
Awesome. So I'm excited to kind of dive in and pick your brain on some of these things. So first, I'm going to kind of show our community how to get to the articles. So I'm going to share my screen. And so right here, we're at the Xometry Manufacturing Community kind of homepage and help center where we can find all of our articles. So to actually get to the finishing articles, we're going to want to come down here to Partner Network and then scroll down to the guides, and Finishing Partner Guide is where we're going to find everything that we need. So here, what we can actually see is we can find a getting started. There's a little introduction to finishing RFQ Marketplace, how to quote work, payment information, filing disputes, escalations, and FAQs. So all of that can be found over here, and you can just cycle through each single one for whatever you need. So that's kind of enough for me. So I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. So now we're gonna toss it over to Sarah. So Sarah, first, can you give us a quick little introduction into the Xometry Finishing Partner Guide, kind of like what it is and who it's for?
Absolutely. So our goal with the Xometry Finishing Partner Guide is to be a one-stop shop resource for our finishing partners. So just like our manufacturing partners, we wanted our finishing partners to have a reference point where they can access as they're completing work through Xometry's Finishing RFQ Marketplace. So within the Finishing Guide, partners will get an in-depth look at the finishing RFQ workflow to include who our finishing customer base is, how to respond to RFQs received through the platform, how to communicate with the customer, how payment works, and much more.
Yeah, that's awesome. So kind of dive in a little bit deeper. Can you walk us through managing RFQs in the marketplace?
Absolutely. So when an RFQ is sent to a partner, they'll first receive an automated email letting them know they have a new RFQ to review. Within this email, there's going to be a link that will take them directly to their Xometry partner portal. So here, a partner may click into the new RFQ to review all the details and determine whether they wish to quote the work or no bid it. They can also chat directly with the customer if any clarification is required before they respond. So once a quote has been submitted, the RFQ is going to move to a partner's pending RFQs. The customer will then decide which quote they wish to move forward with, and they'll be able to award the RFQ directly to that partner. The partner will then accept the work, which will move the RFQ into the current RFQs section of the partner portal. The customer will then ship their parts to the partner for processing. Once finishing work is complete, the partner will coordinate directly with the customer on return shipping, and then they will mark the job as complete in the portal, which will automatically enter the job into the system to be paid out via ACH.
Okay, cool. That's really helpful and interesting, actually. So what kind of tips and tricks do you have as it relates to quoting work in the finishing RFQ marketplace?
Sure. So we found the finishing partners that are most successful in winning work through the RFQ marketplace have been those that respond rapidly to the RFQs and are very communicative with partners, or with customers rather. A piece of advice I can give is for partners not to hesitate to engage with a customer. There may be times when a customer doesn't include everything that's needed for a partner to quote, or perhaps they're not able to open the part file in that specific format. The best thing to do in these situations is to send a chat to the customer through the RFQ portal to request clarification or to ask for a different part file type.
Yeah, so you'd want to ask questions sooner rather than later to make sure everybody's happy with the outcome.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So what kind of support does Xometry offer in the finishing RFQ marketplace?
So the Finishing RFQ Marketplace really is designed to provide a platform for partners and customers to engage in finishing work transactions between one another. As such, if issues should arise, the resolution should first be attempted between the customer and the partner directly. If a partner is not able to reach a customer or a resolution cannot be reached between the two of them, then the partner can reach out to Xometry staff through the community here, or they can utilize the escalation feature on the RFQ platform, and we will step in to assist.
Yeah, okay, that's awesome. So there's resources there to help out if need be.
There are. Mm-hmm.
So lastly, to kind of wrap this up with a final question, if you were a brand new finishing partner, what would you want to pay the closest attention to?
So as a new partner to the Xometry Finishing Partner Network, the best thing you can do is to bid on as many opportunities as you're able. And once you have one work, you'll want to focus on your quality and meeting the promised lead time. This will solidify you as a trusted partner to our customers and one they can count on for future work that needs to be done.
Oh, yeah, that's good. That's really good, actually. So Sarah, thank you so much for being here today. I know I learned a lot, and I'm sure our community members have also learned a lot. So thank you for joining us. I wanted to hand the mic back to you one last time if you have anything else you want to kind of hit on or touch on as it relates to the finishing marketplace.
Nope, I don't think I have anything else. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, again, feel free to reach out. I can be your point of contact for anything finishing related.
Awesome. Well, thanks again, Sarah. We really appreciate it. And thanks everybody for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Learn with Luke.